First, cut and keep the important parts of the video. You can use the Ctrl K to cut. Now, we see that the part we are cutting is small and short, so we need to make it a little bigger. Right click and select speed and direction. The lower the number you enter, the slower your video will be. This method only works for this effect, maybe. After you have done this, apply it to all the parts you cut. Well, after this, it's time to add effects. But you should also know that wherever there is a bit, you usually have to put the videos together there. So, an important point that you should know is that when you want to create such an effect, it doesn't matter what part of the song it is, whether it is in the middle of the song or it is in the end of the song. Here you need to add an adjustment layer. Now that you are done, what is the adjustment layer? You see, the adjustment layer is a layer that is empty, and if we apply an effect to any layer that is below this adjustment layer, that effect will also be applied to the layers below it. Well, now you cut a part of the adjustment layer. The middle adjustment layer should be placed exactly there. To have effects, go to the window panel and click the effect option. You can also find control effect there. The first effect is geometry color. For the first effect of exposure, never put 15, it's too much. 2 is better. And the next effect is directional blur. Wow, it's beautiful.